Hi, I'm at the Reset Restore retreat, and this is the last day, and what an amazing weekend it's been. We've had wonderful food and great company, but most of all, listening to Keely delivering her program and her coaching is just amazing. There's so much to learn, and I feel that I'm coming away from here with new things to take out and to use in my own life and also in my business. And it's been wonderful meeting everybody here. We've had the swimming pool, which has been fantastic. And as I say, the food has been amazing. It's all been very much about health and well-being and looking after yourself and taking care of yourself so you can take care of your business.
Hi, I'm Katie. I've been doing the videography for the retreat and also experiencing the retreat. It's been a really great weekend, and yeah, I've learned so much from Keely. I feel really distressed, and yeah, I've learned so much, and I'm really grateful for Keely for letting me come along. And I've met some really great people as well. That's been another main thing.